Hi guys, and welcome to Watercraft Motor Caravans. In this video we're going to be talking about how you fit a 58 litre water tank underneath the chassis of a Mercedes Sprinter and a VW Crafter. The models that this tank will fit is on the Mercedes Sprinter, the medium wheelbase, the long wheelbase and the extra long wheelbase, from 2006 up to the latest model. On the VW Crafter, this water tank will fit from 2006 up to 2018. Also medium wheelbase, long wheelbase and extra long wheelbase. So with this water tank, you can buy all our tanks individual, or you can choose to buy them in kit form. We build them into kit form simply to make it easier for you as a buyer. Let's have a look underneath the vehicle and see exactly where this tank fits on these model vans. Now we're under the chassis of this Mercedes Sprinter, and what we're going to do, we're going to fit this tank towards the rear of the vehicle on the near side, the passenger side of this vehicle. So this tank simply fits up in between this void. The chassis members are running horizontal across the chassis just there, and all you do is put the tank up. Now, to fix the tank in position in the related products, you'll be able to see the universal tank strapping kit. That'll simply strap around the tank and cradle it nice and securely in position. The access cap will face down and the seal inside will keep it watertight. So again, this is just showing you one example of our tanks and which vehicles they fit. For more vehicles, please check out our YouTube channel, check out our website. The links will be below the tanks. One thing's for sure, these tanks fit perfectly underneath the VW Crafter and the Mercedes Sprinter. Thank you for watching, and if you've liked the video and it's been any help at all to you, please like, share and subscribe, and fingers crossed we can supply you this tank and it works perfect for you.